Welcome to Decoding for Kids. In this video, we are going to play the game Hello World. By playing this game, kids will learn the basics of computer science by programming in Sprite Lab. Here, you will create and animate sprites and make your own interactive scenes. Sprite Lab is nothing but a tool you are going to use to make fun projects. Let's play level 7 to 11 in this video. Okay, guys, this is level 7. And the instructions given is let's learn to change the appearance of sprites. Use the new change costume block to change the costume of a sprite when it is clicked. Remember that an event will cause something to happen when a user interacts with your sprites. So if you see in the workspace, they have already created the background and a new sprite. When the sprite is clicked, you're going to change the costume. So I'm placing the change costume block over here and changing the costume to a fish. So now when I click the run button, you can see the sprite changing to a fish. Yeah, the sprite got changed to a fish. Yeah, that's it. Level 7 is completed. Click continue to go to the next level. Yeah, this is level 8 and the instructions given is let's learn to change the size of sprites. Use the new blocks in the toolbox to change the size of a sprite. Make sure to choose a size other than 100. The challenge is use events to change the size of the sprites when they are clicked. So if you see here, the background is already set and two new sprites are already there. So now this level is you are going to change the size of the two sprites. So I'm placing this when click block over here and I'm placing this change size block under the when click block and you're going to change the size by 50. Then I'm placing the when click block and changing this to a tiger and again I'm placing the change size block and changing the spread to a tiger and the size I'm changing it by 150. Now if I click the run button and click the spread, you can see the size changing. Yeah, if you see the size got changed. Yeah, click continue to go to the next level. This is level 9. The instructions given is let's learn to animate sprites using behaviors. Behaviors are actions that happen over and over while the program runs. Use the new blocks at the bottom of the toolbox to animate one of the sprites. The challenge is use events to make a sprite begin a behavior when it is clicked. So they have created 4 sprites and they have asked you to animate one of the sprites. So I am placing the when click block over here and in these 4 sprites you are going to choose any one. I am choosing the duck. Now I am placing this sprite block over here and changing this sprite to a duck. And these are the behaviors and you can choose any one of the behavior. I am choosing spinning left and placing it over here. Now if you click the run button and click the duck sprite, you can see the duck spinning left. Yeah, that's it. Level 9 is completed. Click continue to go to the next level. Yeah, this is level 10 and the instructions given is let's learn how to play sounds. Use the new block in the toolbox to play a sound. Challenges use events to play a sound when a script is clicked. So as it is, they have set already background and a new script is created. Now this level is just you're going to play the sound. So I'm placing the when click block over here, and I'm placing the play sound block under the when click block. Now if you click the run button and click the dolphin, you can see the sound playing. Yeah, that's it guys. Level 10 is completed. Click continue to go to the next level. Yeah, this is just a guide video for level. If you want, you can watch the video or just skip the video. Here the instruction says it's time to start creating whatever you want. When you are done, share your project and say hello to the people in your world. Add more sprite costumes to your project by clicking the Costumes tab. Add code to the workspace to make sprites appear. Try adding more features to your project to make it even better. Press the share button above to send your project to some friends. For some extra fun, check out the brand new Create Effect block in the Sprites category. Yeah, these are the categories, and if you click the world, and you can see many blocks appearing here. Now you are going to create your own hello world. So for that, I'm first setting the background. So I'm placing the set background block here and changing the background to whatever I want. So the next is you're going to create the sprite. Yeah, sprite, you're going to click the costume and you're going to create a new costume. See, the first one is draw your own. You can even draw your own. If you click this, you can draw your own image and create a new sprite. Now I'm going to choose any one of the sprite from here. So I'm choosing the emoji category and I'm choosing this emoji. Now if you click the code and if you click this, I'm placing this make new sprite block here, and if you click the drop down, this is the emoji I choose. I'm creating this sprite. And again, if you click the sprite, I'm going to say the sprite hello world. So I'm placing this block over here and changing the sprite to the emoji. Again, this is the new block they have added. So I'm placing this block also under here. Create a burst effect with the size, you can change it to 50, and the sprite is what I have created. Yeah, location also, if you want, you can change the location. Now if you click the events and I'm placing this block here and I'm changing the script to the emoji I have created. Now if you click the behaviors and I'm clicking the script block and I'm changing the script to the emoji, and I'm going to choose any one of the script. I'm choosing it as growing behavior. I'm placing it over here. Yeah, that's it. Now if you click the run button, you can see the changes. Yeah, this is the burst effect, and if you click the emoji, you can see the spread growing. This is the behavior. That's it guys. Level 11 is completed. I hope you all had fun playing this game. See you all in another video. Thanks for watching.